आप लोगों को खेले ना, मैंने एक वीडियो लाया है, तो ये वीडियो को एक बार देख के देखो ना, और कैसे लगा है बताओ ना।
Hey guys, I'm back to your voice guide. Today we are taking a quick tour of NIT Arunachal Pradesh. So when you come to visit, the first thing you will see is the main gate, which opens only via ID card. After that, you will hit 2 speed bumps as you head up. After the bumps, you will go boom 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 boom. And then hit one more bumper, and that's when the real fun begins. But before we continue the story, let's just enjoy the view for a bit. And seriously guys, don't even think about coming here on foot. Okay, buy food. Ha 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 ha. So guys, I'm back again. So guys, as you can see this circular area, you see here can be considered the division point, the way to the academic blocks, the hostels and the exit. And the road is only destined up to this point. After this, your video game journey begins, and it's a total roller coaster ride. And that building over there, it's not a temple or anything like that. It's actually the largest central library in Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, if you take a left from here, this is Papum Hostel, which is a second-hand boys hostel. And that main gate and road you see on the left is the path leading to the director's chamber. Over here, the girls hostel, which is also known as Lloyd Hostel 1. And this is Lloyd Hostel 2, especially meant for the freshers boys. So this is the boys hostel, and this is
तो देखा होगा ना आप लोगों ने वीडियो, कैसे लगा ना वीडियो। अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो गाइस बाय सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड शेयरिंग ना गाइस, और लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा ना, कमेंट करना भी। और इसका रिगार्डिंग कुछ भी अगर आप लोगों को जानना है बोलने से ना गाइस ना, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो, आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प आउट। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, और कीप सपोर्टिंग गाइस, बाय बाय।